Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. And firstly, we need to check if your Bluetooth is turned on. So go to the settings and then Bluetooth. If you have iOS, you can enable it here if it's disabled or check it. And if you have Android, on some Android phone, you can check it at the connected devices or Bluetooth or at the control panel. You can check it and also enable it. After that, just tap at your earbuds at the device list and we have connection. If it didn't help you, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds are disconnected from the phone right now. We can see it at the device list right here, there is no connection. Or if you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. After that, we just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, so it may fix your problem. If it also not fixed it, the next step is to remove and add these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds right here at the device list. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, after that click pair new device at the top, you will see it. And then your earbuds should be at the charging case. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it for at least 3 seconds. Now we need to wait until this LED light starts blinking white. And we just enter pairing mode, so next tap on your earbuds at the device list. And still we have connection. Excellent. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the lid. You need to press and hold connectional button for at least 10 seconds until this LED light flashed red. So press and hold on it, and firstly it entered to pairing mode, so it starts blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, we keep holding it. 1, 2, and 3. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, and forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So we don't need to use connectional button, we just tap at your earbuds at the device list, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!